Hello, this is Jones Park.
Hurricane Ida of the 4th degree of 5 reached the U.S. coast, hitting the state of Louisiana. It became the 5th most powerful hurricane in American history, at a speed of 230 kilometers per hour. The hurricane brought with it torrential rain and strong winds that knocked down trees and tore off rooftops. Residents of several cities in Louisiana have been urged to look for high ground due to possible flooding. The wind caused the Mississippi River to flow in the opposite direction at a speed of about 1.5 meters per second.